So good day everyone, this is a Canva tutorial we'll be using to design our for those which Pixel app couldn't install on iOS. You install Canva. I'm sure Canva is available on your devices, your iOS devices, that is your iPhone. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So this is my Canva app. This is how the icon would look like. This is how my Canva icon would look like. I open my Canva. So this is it. Take note, Canva is an online app. So without your network connection, your Canva won't load. So now my Canva has loaded. This is how your Canva looks like. You can see it's taking time to load because it is an online application. So what do I do? This is my home. This is my projects. Then this third icon, the middle icon where they drew a plus icon, I'll click on the plus. And one thing with Canva is that you can edit even videos on Canva. You can do your video editing on Canva, your presentation, your social media posts, look at it on the top, your documents, your websites on Canva and more. And you can choose any template that you want for designing. So as I said, I'll be sending you a link for Canva Pro where you can use any pro any pro any pro templates, just like this one here. I can use this pro template if I want. So I'll click on my plus to create my design. I'll click on this plus here, this plus, I'll click on it. Then it will load this. I'll click on my custom size. I'll leave it in pixels. I'll change this to 947. The height should be in 1280. Then I create new design. So it will load your designs. So now it has loaded. So this is what you'll be seeing. So follow me, we'll be going to our Pinterest to download our photos. So I'll exit my screen. I'll come to my Pinterest app. I've told you to download your Pinterest from your Play Store. It is available on Apple Store and your Play Store. So this is my Pinterest. After downloading, you log in to your account or you sign in with your Gmail and your password. So this is what you see. Pinterest is just an app used for generating ideas. So you can see search for ideas. This is the home. I'll click on this search tab here. I'll click on it. Then I'll search for my ideas. I'll search for a white. Okay, I'll search for, let me say, food image. Search for food image. So I won't be creating the same designs of our Pixel Lab. So you can use your hands to create that one after watching the video in your Canva. So I'll download all my images. I'll download this, download image. I'll scroll. I'll look for cool images. I'll open this. I'll download. I will be needing about 4 images. I'll exit. I'll click on this one. I'll scroll to look for more ideas that are related to that one. So I'll open this. Okay, I'll move back. Then I open this again. Sorry, I'll move back. I'll open this. You can choose the image of your choice. So I'll open this. Then I'll be downloading this image. I'll click on here. I'll click on it again, the three dots. Okay, it can't download like this. Okay, this is a video. Sorry, I'll open this. I'll click on here. I'll download the image. So we have 3 images now. We need one more image to go. I'll click on this. To get more ideas on this particular image. I'll scroll down. Okay, I love this one. I'll click on it. I'll download it. So then I'll be coming back to my Canva. I'll first change the color of my background. Okay, I'll be selecting a shape. This is your tools in your Canva, what you see when you open your Canva. So I'll be explaining it one by one. This design, when you click on design, this is where you can get any templates you want to use. You can get any template and edit whatever you want to edit. Then this elements is for selecting your shapes. Look at it, your frame for adding your images, your line, your arrow, your circle, then your logo, any logo you want. And you can search any element. You can search for images. Like I can search for image, I can search for pizza. They'll still give it to me, pizza image. Search for pizza image. I'll click on search, my search icon. So it will load. You can see they gave me some images on pizza, but they look like icons. So that is your element. Then this text is to add your text, your heading, the big text, your subheading, and your body text. So this is the fonts you can use. Look at it, your font combination. This is the fonts. Some of them are pro version, but me, I can use it because I have a pro version of Canva. Then this is my gallery to upload anything from my gallery. This is it. They say allow Canva access to your media. I'll click on continue. So I click on allow. So now I've granted them access. From my Canva, I can open any image in the gallery. So this is it. I click on not now again. So this is for the image, for the gallery. Then the upload also, you can use it to upload any image to your Canva. So, and this is your draw icon for drawing any line, any hand to line. So I'll be clicking on elements. I'll cancel this. Then I'll be creating a square. So this is my shape. I'll be creating a square. I'll click on the square. Then it will load in my web page, my Canva design. So this is my shape. I can also add text into a shape. So I will increase the size of this shape. I'll increase the size. One thing I like Canva for is that they can align your items in the middle. You can see it when you move your hand towards any area. They will show you whether it's in the middle or it's going out from the screen or it's aligned between the paper. You can see it. You can see different alignments here in Canva. So that is one advantage of using Canva. But in Pixel Lab, you have to align them yourself. So I'll change the color of this to a green background. This is where I clicked on. I have my shape selected. Then this is edit to edit the shape. Then this is shape. This is edit to write a text into the shape. This is shape to reselect a shape. This is your color. Then this is your style. When you add any text into the shape, this is your style. Then this is your font for your text. This is your text style. This is your font size to increase the size of your font. Then this is the color for your font, your text. This is the format of your text. This is the spacing to give it a space. Then this is the animation, that is to animate it in form of a video. Then this is your transparency, that's your opacity, your pixel opacity. Then this is position, to move it leftwards, this is it, your position. Okay, your position to move it front or backwards, then your alignment to move it to the top or to the middle or to the bottom or anywhere you want to move it to. Then this is your notch, that is your position in Pixel Lab. This is it, you use it and move your icon anywhere. So I'll select my shape again, then this is the notch. I can move my this thing anywhere I want. So that is for my notch. Then the more, you can check on more, you can copy your shape, you can paste it, your text, you can paste your text, then you can select multiple, you can comment, you can show timing, you can link, you can lock your icon so it will not be moving. So I'll be changing the color of this. I've explained all this. I'll be changing the color of this to, then I'll click on here, this first plus here. Then this is your search icon. If you have your hex code on your head, the hash, that is for those who are programmers that have too many hex code on their head. This is where you can type it and you get your color. But for me, I'll click on this plus here. You can see where I clicked on, select color again. Then this is where I clicked on, see my hand, this place, I'll click on it, that mix different colors. Then I want to select a green color. I'll click on here, this down part, select any place I want to use a green color or a blue color. Then I'll move my hand towards the part that I want. I'll move my hand towards it. I'll go back, then I'll deselect this. So I'll reduce the opacity a little bit, that is my transparency. I'll click on my transparency, I'll reduce it, so we can add some things on top. I'll click on OK. Then this is what we have. So I'll be adding my images. I'll click on element, allow it to load. Then I'll select a shape that has border radius on the edges. I'll select my shape, so this is my shape. I'll position it and make it smaller. So this is it. Our position, you can see, don't worry, you will notice it how it will give us our alignment so easily. I'll change the color of this to a black color, click on OK. Then I give it a texture, that is, I want to add my images inside of the shape. So how do I do this? I'll deselect the two, I'll come to my upload, this is my upload, I'll click on my upload, then I'll click on upload file here. This is my previous work I've been designing. I'll click on upload file here to come to my gallery app. Then I'll upload my first image. I'll upload this one. Then you have your internet connection, it will be loading. This is it, it will load. So after loading, you click on the image, that image you uploaded, you click on it. Then this is it, it have loaded. I'll reduce the size. Then to add texture to your object, you don't need to look for a texture to just move your image to your icon. So I'll look for my more. Okay, I'll move this out, I'll select the shape, then I'll scroll to my more. So I'll continue with my design. I'll scroll down to add my texture to my shape. I'll look for the effect, click on more. So I found the solution. I'll be deleting this our object. I'll click on elements below, then I'll scroll down a little bit. I'll scroll down, I'll scroll down, then I will see my I'll scroll down to my frames. This is my frame, see all. Then I'll choose that frame, my square frame that has border radius on 4 of the corners. I'll reduce the size, position like this, position like this. Then I rotate my image like this. I increase the size of my image. Then I texture it so you can see how it looks like. I'll create another frame. Sorry, I'll delete this. I'll create another frame, the border radius frame. I'll click on it, then I'll reduce the size, or I can delete this. Just click on here, then I'll duplicate the and then Canva will ask me the one that I want to duplicate. I'll click on duplicate. See my hand here. I'll click on this duplicate icon here. I'll click on it and wait. So now this is so I'll just keep this here. I'll select on this. I'll move towards here. I'll move like this. I'll reduce the size. I'll reduce the size. Then I will align like this. I'll select on my image. Then I will frame this. I'll select on this again. You can see my alignment that Canva gives to it. You can see it, how it aligns it on a straight line. Click on here. Then I will upload my second file. I'll just scroll to my uploads here. I'll scroll to my uploads. I'll click on upload file. Then I'll upload my second food image. Okay, let me be uploading all once. I'll upload these three. I'll select. So now it's uploading the three of them. You can see it here. It's uploading the three of them. So you must have network connection for it to work. I'll click on this first one, and then I'll select this. I'll reduce the size of this. Then I'll texture it. I'll add it in texture so you can see how it looks. I'll drag this downwards here. This is my alignment again. I'll move it. I'll keep it here. Then I'll upload again. I'll upload this image. I'll reduce the size pretty small. I'll add it into the texture again. Then I'll duplicate my layer. I'll duplicate this. So this is my alignment. Okay, let me move this like this a little bit. Move this like this a little bit. I'll delete here. They'll ask me. You can see on the icon I clicked, I've deleted the frame. When you duplicate like this, if you want to delete, they'll ask you to delete image. The image is your image, then the frame is this thing that is here. So I'll click on this one. You delete your image, then you upload a new one. You upload this one. You upload it. Then you crop it. Okay, I'll delete the image. This image is not good. I'll go back to my Pinterest and download another image again. I'll download another image. So I think this is good. Then I'll come back to my Canva. Come back to my Canva app. I'll allow it to load. So I'll upload again. I'll click on my upload files to take me to my gallery. Then I'll select this recent icon here. I'll click on it. Then it will upload automatically. So this is it. After this blue loading icon finishes, you click on the image to bring it in. You wait to bring it into your Canva app, your Canva design. So I'll texture this like this. So this is what I have. I'll click, then I'll scroll to this bottom. I'll click on my text, add a heading. I'll click on this add a heading. Then I'll move this text upward. I'll first go back like this. I'll click on this text again. I'll move it upwards like this. So I'll edit on it. Then I'll be typing, okay, let's say YT kitchen. I'll come back like this. I'll come back again. Then I'll increase the size of this. I increase the size by using this icon here. I increase the size. I move it out a little bit. Then I change the color. I first change the font to a better font. You can see my font icon when the text is selected like this. Then I scroll. This is my font. I click on my fonts here. Then I change my font to, I'll scroll down. I'll look for leaks pattern. I'll change it to leaks pattern. I'll allow it to load. Then I'll exit. I will be coming to my color. I'll change the color to a red color or to an orange color. So I'll be moving it here. Then, so this is it. Then I'll create another text. This is my text box. I create another text again. Then I'll just add text box here. I'll add text box. Then I'll say I'll edit this. I'll edit this. Click on edit here. First I reduce the size of this. Then I write fried rice and chicken. I come back here. Then this is my text. I move upwards. So this is our alignment with Canva. I change the font to Archival Black, or you can use any font that you like. I deselect this. Then I change the color to a white color. Okay, so this is my color. I change the color. This is my color here. I click on the white. I change it to white. Then I change the white kitchen, also the color. I change it to a white color also, or to a black color. Okay, a blue color is better. I leave it at a blue color. Then I need to adjust this upwards a bit. I need to adjust this upwards. I'll be deleting the frame. I'll be deleting it. I'll keep my image aside. Keep my image aside. So I'll move this here. I'll click on this. I'll move this. I'll make sure my alignment comes out. This is it. Then I click on this one. I move it upwards here. Okay, I click on here, move it upwards a little bit. I click on here, move it like this, move it inside a little bit. Then I click on this my copy icon, then I position like this. Position like this. So I delete the image, then I crop with this image. I add my texture with this image. Sorry, I move to the front. I scroll to more, then I bring to front. So now I've cropped it. Then I will say I'll add another text box again. I'll click on my element. Sorry, I'll click on my text. Then I'll be adding a subheading. Then I'll go back like this, go back again. I'll select the text, then edit it. I'll click on, I'll write my text, fried rice and chicken. Okay, I will say our services, our, break this down. I'll say fried rice and chicken, comma, sauce, egg rolls, shawarma, comma, burger, grilled beef, comma, fries, comma, sausage rolls, comma, drinks. So I'll reduce the size of this. I bring it downwards. This is my text. I bring it downwards here. I align it. I move upwards a little bit. Then I change the color. I change the color to blue and see how it looks like. Okay, I'll be leaving it at black. Then I'll change the style. I'll come to my formats here. I'll change it to bold. Click on OK. Then I'll scroll down to my font. I'll edit my font to I will say free Docker. So this is our flyer. Then I'll be creating another shape. Click on elements. Then I'll move back from the frames. I'll move back. Then I'll scroll to the top. I'll create my shape, my square shape. I'll change the color to a black color. I'll increase the size. So I'll move downwards here. I position like this. So I did. Okay, let's be adding a text box. I'll click on text, add a subheading, then I'll come back like this to get my tools here. I click on it again, then I edit, I cancel this, then I write contact us 07069571834. I type in my phone number. I'll say contact us, then I change, come back again, I click on the text, I change the color to a white color, then I move the text downwards here. I change the font to my free Docker. click on OK. Okay, I move this downwards a little bit, move this. So guys, you are through with creating our first flyer on Canva for those using Canva. So I'll see you in the next video. To save your designs, click on this download icon here at the top. Click on the download icon. It says save as image. Click on your save, then it will be downloading it. Or you click on this upload icon here, click on the upload icon, then you download, save as, they will say save as png, save downloads, save as png, click on download. So they said saved to gallery. It's already saved to my gallery. So guys, we are through with creating our flyer on Canva. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.